dwumedie so MTN or say a content manager no ɛho bɛhia paa ɛsan sɛ service betimi aba na wani gye ho na wa subscribe another one beba wani gye ho wa subscribe before you know it you've lost track of all your subscriptions and na koba sa pena I say wani ye tu atonsem because we be do baabi no na service bi o a wani nyi ho biem o percent o cancel sa subscription but we a few short code no kra na ade DNA you more control of your mobile experience with *175#. You can view, add or cancel subscriptions all in one place without the stress of searching for the short coder or the best topics are subscriptions in that's it, one short code to do it all. And also be dial *175#. Now I access MTN content manager. Now follow prompt no. You'll be sorted. We're there for you. Yes, everywhere you go. Now if you are not sure, as they do on Yafa Emma Dewa 539. And they Akonya Hose by the close of the day, and Twan Copim said about 7 p.m. No jackpot will be betimia hit 174,000 Ghana cedis. A betimia yodia, a opportunity Akonya. We na airborne wetimi a leave you dream no na bibia ko ye at the amount, you know, a jackpot I'll betimia winnie from Dewa 539. Now, very simple. By 7 p.m. send me kind of a bit me I order. I know there, you so there. It's Malak and Shannon and your and also be dial *446#. *446#. Cecilia, now I select 5 numbers from 1 to 39. Then you play as many times as you can. Obeti me I share your live draw no your Facebook page and no Dewa Games, DAYWA. Every Monday through to Saturday, be 7 p.m. sharp. Na ya draw, na ye near chrono, na du bedi eddy. So play now. This is your chance to grab your dream and live them to the fullest. Dewa or say afa. Finally, as they do on comma in boost herbal measure, aka police near Druno. Papa, Jan now so nay amount for the build a strong immune system pa. Yarian said the INDS, they say, baby every corner. Sending Namwen ye. Or a Samayan Kawasa, my train on in Mantrias, and would dear Quenya. Oh, yeah, now what they all saying. Oh, wouldn't him baby a cofa crasibu and Sibini. It's yes, one and they would me show holding. Now build a strong immune system. Nampacho Muntie, where ye draw a bibi draw yasha die. Yet their cost center for scientific one friend say scientific research into plant medicine man point crapem yet their call amomo emunhwemu agiatum eno ma dosage said ye fano enyina Food and Drugs Authority for so ahwemu agiatum say the ba no say doctors nisa amanfo nya hwe yes ya bibidro ye ntino amanfo anka say yom hu no wo fie ene nim tree okono kwabnani atwitwa kukuom edi akakadu agu mango tree back egugum hwan pepper wentiane ade wan se sa ade na ano oden na obi wie pa aduro yi aye pikan se ni wahwe ne cap ma no abon se gom owie ahwe nanimu ase wakamakom oye ne ho aduro building immune system wan se wan hwe ya immune system de wo hye ne de o be wi ase no na wa say o kidney ni liver enti say very 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 careful pa onu aduro a nom de ayan hihye ya to ho se e bia atrema baako ana atrema mienu sa de ni hu a ye very careful etina me de me kanfo in boost herbal measure ma police na do no eno de awunya no a ya kire se de obenom no anopa se de obenom na wia se de obenom na nwumre etu how bia ni akiri na mo immune system no ho aye den kama pa de ama prekope obenya bia to King's Walk Herbal, Ekus Pharmacy, Budama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, Health Alert Shop here at St. John's, alternated and dependable herbal shops across the country. And yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Now do be a nyebiano onsa ebeka. 7 minutes after 4. ade unya tepe no say ampa MAMALISTIC apiem unya te ya no say ampa MAMALISTIC apiem waso ya imachi bi na wodi we ya twere musa no timi fro kwa hinwa nanim kama pa sadia tie bia na bedane minyina we so ana fi officially mema wakwaba na fi yemura enkomom MAMALISTIC
Uncle Jerry
akwaba
ya hinu
na eto say
Adom
yeshia ya che papa nu wacho mi hu wacha papa na bibia boko de
Adom Uncle Jerry bibia ye
nice ye de radiase obi wa ye kama MAMALISTIC no be kas na MAMALISTIC saying di MAMALISTIc no che mu kakra che trifo
Uncle Jerry me da say oh say oh my me fantastic the girls no me some here mama we fantastic
yes,
fantastic
fantastic
because I see the list can yeah so me my girls na the man
wow it's a din ankasa pa ye
Irene Edujemfi
wow it didn't need that mafo wa fantastic name nice one anyway ne praise be honor and echimi brutal e beka ho asem na nim say uguswa kakra ne ade na is it that ebia MAMALISTIC aye no foforo bi ana sesen ka bi kakra che de na ekoso
me patro anke je ma de nyum foforo aba
ai covid ba ya no tufo bebre na say de omo twen kakra
ese program no shada manti enti no me de nyum foforo aba no touch track na me bua for ne ready me ne Francis Amo ene obapa Christine ye
one Francis Amo
ene obapa Christine
omo wonyon ba akoso hey MAMALISTIC obi proba Christine na twere nyon ba ko bi so ahese be hit ya
ayo
ena wo de ono atoso
se wodum se
ena wasa hey
omunyina ne munya mo ya busuafo nti
hey Francis Amo ena wasa de obapa Christine so ato eso enyon ba ko hey ano she
we na e bolo so me ne brother Sami
we de one brother Sami wow okay o de mame me feel de me de kakra na feel de ba new one e den e be di hu komo kakra ye di hu komo kakra ti de ye nko yumra We a bedane by MAMALISTIC. Now MAMALISTIC onyum wo bi otro nyum and na say one na otro nyum.
Uncle Jerry me das me na me tro me nyum.
One na otro nyum.
Just a letters ba ko na Nana Boateng e tro ye. Ma dia kan de ni na me na me tro.
Obi a wo botaye si na ni sunti a ode ye de oye. Obi on mo a osusu se owadom ache de ni no oye. Obi nso se oh ebian pese me fa nwom to so na me de kasa kire agidifo anampo kura irama na omo so timi ebehu han no ne ade obi nso so chale ho nso ska ho uye wada unya hate bi famu eden obedidi ne ade nso den ne tai de oye actually
Uncle Jerry me da say on say ye dia no so no ye pese ye kanyame asam true anwum to no because ye sache anwum eto anwum na yesua na ye na
Benze fie do benze ni.
Oh. Maybe about 20 years.
Wow.
20 years. Since you know, yam fancy you say be di pesca. Also be ho no ma. Sabe na dwuma ya no nyum to. Onya adwuma bia. Ban ya adwuma. And I started nyum to an accounting. We are just preaching the word of God through music.
Oh, okay.
Ti do be ana ye expertise come brave. But we share na man bia magic.
Now, so what kind of sound so now? Ye na ye nimpa se enwom to no.
Yeah.
Enya small businesses to go to the studio and record even just one song no.
Yeah.
A lot goes into it pa. Enti wodi enye se sikasi ani so ani ade how do you get money to fund ade awoye?
Eno na Uncle Jerry na me di kan no say ye adwuma ka ho. Enti once ye preach it through music no. Aye den a de bia wodua bia no unya so betwa.
Okay.
Yeah. Enti say one physical na nsiwe no so kra onyame betimi afa kwan bi so e wo turu wonwum tuo ne mu because me wo anwum sa e beda ne worship yi na obisi okuku no. Enti ya ahomache e na ote say mo sister station ba ko e bonwum no. Enti ofa support e di dware. And now call back of the house. And no copy do be support no. E say ho nti ote say ye to e beda ne no. Worship ne kosu na no omprim no nti anwum ne ye wo efie na chi. Ti otie anwum ne ye. No say e beda no say beda ne de ane nyame betumi adane me situation no. And no the support no go ho. So this is enema bi anyankopon air through the music or jim crofon kwan. Obo so na na wira ho ti ote say bedane okay nyame say bedane dia enti Uncle Jerry yesu ye kanyame asam to the music but edru ba bia anwom no nyankopon timi bie kwan bi ema sika be de yensem.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That's nice. But yenhwe say uye wa adwuma na bia we no so say de okay wo de bo nyame adwuma na won hyedan ye say bia eno nko ane ade asoli oye no aya na to da adwuma sam no timi ya na fe adaje kro de ba be no how do you balance it to timi nya time timi de hwe se onwuma so se bia nya basabasa na aha no so no attention so betimi akona eno so akoso.
It's very true because say edu ba bia ebu aye ko bush me fa say fu me ye adwuma enti mi wo days
say the all can say ko bush ye adwuma de e nema mienu ida say wo ye farming ana bia into real estate bia wo sisi adan wo ba bi ntini mo ko bush adan mo ko no mo ye fu
enti ya
oh yes wo mo do mo wo sika pa
obi na ka ho
yes wo mo ye fu de omo wo ja pa ye ni na chese
na jaba
no ba nya so sa na
oboa ye ti sa dia na chese enti ya me days bi wo ha me di esi ho kwa sorry and the be me di kwa fo na dube bi so a me di ba interviews say and say wo de me share Thursday me free until I say me
wow
until my share days no ya na rade na ye bo no pa say da bia na onye ade foforo.
Wow. Nice. And so far num do say na wo
actually me have 3 albums.
Wow. First one was in which year?
2012. That was 2012. That was Gentleman Jesus. Na to me be change to me be.
Okay.
And sana me ba e bedane. Na me dey for so aba.
Okay. Now, so far the audio ba nyina, you know, e dia be sinde, you know. Who be on manage you? Who record label bi an ne ye adwuma no ana say de okay wa kwan bom kakra no wa de kakra sa.
Me pa chop madaro mane mini record label bia so. And afen so na mini manager bia. Afen na ma start pese me pushing out ma and manti me ana maya
all these years in
all these years.
Wow.
Maya busy by this time.
Easy. Easy cry. All right, so fast forward to the audio bay. Yeah, ye ni hu komo kakra. And also bo ho enkomo kire e ba ne sen.
Adam dia pa no me boafo ne rade no. And I title track of
okay.
Now
of the upcoming album no.
Yeah. Na I don't know. Say enipa wotsena se. Na say wo ye bibi na ogya me wa kire a na I think say nema bi akachi kakra. Yeah. Enti ade bia obeye bia na wo say obisa Awurade Nyankopon. Enti enipa bia so say wabamu bu a. Why biem? Sometimes we bet me do ho atwe nipa. Ade ba chia me konesi nipa ko da one sorry.
Correct.
Enti David Psalm 121 ho say me mama ne so chia me po a. Ehe na me boafo baba. Boafo fi Awurade. Nti eno na ma metena se na me hu say o se me de ma kwa share Awurade nsa na o hye me den. Nti me mama ne so a me boafo ne Awurade.
Wow.
Na me de sa.
Enti title track no album title yeah ye kan ho asemi no. Eno na o feature Obapa Christine Francis Amos. Now Eban say na these are two great guys. I know what Francis can do. The turn no so na or no I na so tiakwa or kosa and Obapa Christy to another fire brand pioneer. Now one can say okay any album here bay me fa we turn we see so na e bia the second song no gra me de brothers amen so ato so na akukuda mi mienu na odom na to the same song so you.
There is a when was that Ghana had there you can't musicians are sabi Nyankopon na MAMALISTIC so abo wo I say say Ghana ha obi a o hwe wo Facebook ya de ya say o metumi adi ho adanse say MAMALISTIC abo nkofo ebre e wo to no Baba Chrissy is my daughter and Francis Amon so I know him way back na me na ti wala adwo.
Wow.
And most of the musicians na almost so onye ungrateful. Sabi we bibi one one me bibia wo ye mu a ono so nya time ama de wo ye na otimi beboa. To Papa Chrissy ye meba. Enti bebia anya nwom no nko a bebia meto me safre no bia. Oba Francis Amos the same thing.
As I said okay there I say most of the gospel musicians no only more good relationship Wow. Now no na say the emwasa no say bia. Oh yeah, who dey make an intino. Ama mantimi anka biem tino.
Oh okay, say most of them omoya program, omoya nwum no omoya lunch.
During their lunch no ne ade no. Na MAMALISTIC apiem wo. Na wa ya action.
Na fundraising so there.
Ujinam. Or strengths no ho.
Musicians, yeah, we as Mama Mario. I just say, Intina ma, ya cordial relationship. Yeah, little and more.
Wow. That's nice. Okay, yenti said it and also is here. Papa Bills. Beshana new one mama nafi yan kan ho asem na Okay, so yeah, better na ya sort it out na ya na you challenges kakra trying to play the new one na yeah they know to see yeah better train so kakra na no asset pa na ya pre no so atum e de amam na moti eno na Obapa Christine your friends Francis Amo e was no. I really want to listen to that song na my share said the tear pan let them work around it na you say e bit me enya no to Seba na fini asha tiefo na ha no yi kakra om ni say ha no enti say that place no ubo CD ha enye yi ha say yeah studio I say DJ Bibo ra no de or the CD bag beto be easy there be emfa na your system no so crowd the pen drive e betua on say oh yeah enye yi emfa da recognize it is enwom ne nko technical for mo ntimi nya ya emfa share music server no mo enti they are working around it na I said they be see akoba but yan kan wa asem kakra abra ode wasem to omanim that you want to, this is what you want to do now ne Obapa Christy ekasa ye ohu enwom kono na the reaction to say and working with her in the studio, how was it like, and that of Francis Amo
na me wash studios enti na me ye nwom no wash ho me ho na Obapa ba ho also me wa na me se na se sha me ma me nwom na ye pa oboma mintie na sharp boy enti sharp boy so da bi nwom de matubi
sa
yeah.
Wow.
Enti me to no se sha mame headphone na me function na me start di wa no je no tena se na ti
I just say enye so share that tron the part na the fifie ba studio so be
David ti ade chia na pa no so na ye ho na Francis so aba ho ti Francis so ti enyum na no MAMALISTIC na nyum na ade ba say masa ye nyina to bi o
mami nyame sha
Francis be share no so ye the part.
Wow.
And it was wonderful. I have the relationship with them, Tino. No, be any ajisu say, and I'll be answer and charge me say, be or charge me so back him in now or future me and I be future Debbie. On one yana.
Wow.
Yeah, I be.
Omwa willingly so Charlie.
See a communal so sad, or so, Mamma, David, what is it? Mamma, you met to be, I'm sure, and to or bought winning man, not or trans, or catan and yano to him.
Wow. Wow. It will be such a nice moment say obey witness say will be a better new studio now say no a new idea no ni pan in church we just put on the headset and decide mommy can be and on the flow with it.
It was wonderful.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm just hoping for this thing to go through. I really want to listen to the song now. Who said it? Also, an album title, right?
Maybe I try. Say we are son of that. I
mean, no. How soon? Bibia be ready.
Oh, Simon, I am ready. The YouTube crisis.
Oh, okay. But the entire album, then I make it.
Nina ready. Nina ready.
Ti said the amount for ya na launching one more be jina winti. Also there no baso brebe. Baso brebe. They say ya COVID-19 ni ade you know. Say now ubesi ya launches anyway.
Say no na na 100. Ezi me shishara 100 bakovia. Na ma pon wo mu. No 100 for frasa.
Ezi only 100 is na bo anu. Wow.
See, you bet you chim. You bet you chim na 100.
Patience now concerning control so chia papa. And I just say what do you mean now man wow. It's how soon and I ain't sure him kwan say 100 e be baso na ya launch nyom no.
Say my fans from August mo.
Oh, okay.
From ending of August.
Ebe bibia be koso. Now ya hwe say no ya na enti se kane na ye ton CDs ne cassettes ne ade no. Nti no ba ne say na mo so no na mo be na ya mutu a at least a bit me ama one of the dear cry so be ban most etimi aka bi
anti nipa no call YouTuber Bob MAMALISTIC mama obenya me videos na ne wering
MAMALISTIC mama o videos ne ade ni na bia bantu bia onipa ne pe bia no e betimi anya
na ja wa subscribe na fi
na no so no
o kakra anyway kwa na patient was studio ho
za mo yes
anyway na patient was studio ono kwa manyere mo wanko tu bi
za jaza wode wono abuzu ama obi prison obi na bi wode wo se wan no ho kwa ga obi we ka ho
patient be ka ho
wow that's nice and I like the way only what that relationship no it is good yeah na to dana say hu say anutufo ni bi we ni we nya fine we ni we nya say we ni we nya say sana I am not hadrin pa so keeping up na
I was saying to Nibia who say obi kwa ya insha wo kasok ya more credit card when you suffer when you are sorry and would you preach it through the music this will be your dear cry who say word na wa wonyu mu no I was say with me tie sa word na I wa wonyu mu na ko ni parenchen na so me nua de wo ye mempe then we settle it up because anypa there
dia na wote say wantwi bia ba gospel anyum to fon tem na we ni we nkasa na fe ade acha we gina radio so we tuma ni we za aya na tititi sa ne ma na aya wakwakoyo mo maami say na aya na wo fa no
obi ho a beti sa metimi friend pakro metimi friend pakro ma ne ba bia me wo officer na mo fie kura metimi friend most of them no maba then I sit down with them. Sebia, yes, ye can ya me asem. Oh, ye ordained was a pastor, but you have been ordained to sing.
Wow.
To glorify God. And they say, ye tea a some sana, and you're fine. To want to me friend about not menakasa. They are certainly out.
Eh, some more. Because I say, say, other side the phone, crown a year, you cry now. Oh, now we did a bad gospel for you now. Mumuna man for looking up to Muna fi mo yes ana
because obi anu sister wo tunya menyo de you have to be holy so what you say obi to me say shata wala etunu nyum ana storm wa etunu ma na no kwam ko twitwo stage so say ansha da anya news e wo mo say ekoko se but say gospel musician ele ko twitwo stage so a ka sama no be ko fa chi so what you say nti da bia me catch mo say omoman no do ye ho na yen set a good example bima obi hu say ye tunya me ho nti I always talk to them me know mo kasapa
all right therefore ye ba sima kakra bi na fe ye ba ye be ba na nyom no aye ready na ye de aba be wrap up ko we bia
Nokia smartphones abano and no one be can wasem. Nokia new Android smartphones you want more megapixels. Nesenti e ma ukwa ma ucha pictures ni videos pop baby. Nokia new Android smartphones you fast. So what they call internet content porno so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, umiaswa. Let them Nokia batteries there we are signal di one dance here. All new Android phones you charge ya e jinaswa this e jinaso. Also when you bet new Nokia Android smartphones Joe Nokia 7.2, Nokia 2.3, Nokia C1, and our Nokia C2, and our Nokia new slick phones or the Abanibi. Call phone shop be a bell, Najo Nokia phones is here. Nokia, it keeps getting better.
Me manage big things home. Me fast small things in yet. And nunti na manage Go TV hono. If we say Go TV dear, me say bribia or mo bet me bigger and better things. And can about the footballer. So even that. Sergio Aguero. Yeah, crowd near the football. Papa no will back. Super Sport will Go TV so the live football will back. And then they're off. You who the do na big boys number back in town. Trela Liga. Nisiria our games in
Cristiano Ronaldo.
And crystal clear digital pictures and the sound proper video they will Go TV so many go slow crowd compare by the point and now mobile agent to be a bet one childhood Go TV live it love it.
Yes. Oh, I say, you know, when I'm for a bench.
Oh, yeah, I'm true.
Mukono. Go slow. The amazing cement. Action for pizza in the mazy. Yeah, I am Chinara Hawaii. Me a funny no more bomu kur. No baby, Shreyam no kuno. And here, Jaisu WMP capsule. And yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. Yeah, it is the Kobe. We am bathroom marriage. I want to Papa Brown Sanawaba. So I constipation. I am Chira. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No, Baba William so way. Hey, you Fibiaro. I am Chira. Two houses so much to plenary you from a one hole. As a for Jaisu WMP capsules. No, we am Robogo. Young Fana Humacha. On turn upon a we am go fine. No, Bibiara reason. San Jaisu Yabak away Jaisu WMP capsule. Happen to do a friend. 0244 529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Oh, Ukaso be mami extra manabro so ne die na wuyi. Extra ebechesa.
Ani o madam, Airtel Tigo die, ye di e boshe so pa. Sisi ampo, so we extra unlimited Airtel Tigo call sabu so mi no a, ye 10 Ghana cedis pe.
We are no me pese meti.
E braso, so we unlimited calls, na ye Airtel Tigo so pe. We di e star 111 hash sisia.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
MAMALISTIC mama. Danny me. Enti Danny. Okay, I know you did damn. Okay.
Danny. And not Danny.
Aha, Danny me. Na Chichi Mugaka. Uncle
Jerry, so all your Fantiniana.
There be me Kone Crapim.
Kone, okay, Uncle Coco. So Kone catch or said Danny me. I just say, my father said, Funya Kitawi. Sabia, Obidia Mon said, Shasumami. You don't have to keep it well.
Okay.
And see, I just said, board the auto board. That's what the two Javanas will share one side on Quan board and on done and a beshit. Nti o se nyame dane yen o te ase ti se baby o sa na pa be
Matias e o bode na yetutu ho no pa hu se ha no dagya no so na na se na wa shifting kakra na wa ya kopim se evenly ni na be bring fine
and our wife cry se bia se over so ya o say baby you so krokro no
MAMALISTIC
enti akrokro
Radin dane kakra because the nipa ye tie ni abrabo mu nsem yi
se nyame andane ya
wan yes a beti afa so
nyame dane me Ohiniba Clement ani na ne nok ne toye
Ohiniba Clement obon samrani o
oni kwa da we me elda
What eh
Bempon
oh okay Ejinamu papa
Sanusa
awoyo and another person can be say a ban say now decide say na obey ni no
anyway there me so diet na sana na ready muti na me the fast so
I say awoyo bisa
me so that ready na me nya na na me koy
wow oh hey koro be ko ni abre kwa mi due why due Sorry, but I didn't answer. And therefore, coronavirus in the glass now, that change. Come over, did you? Come do idea. Said I didn't hear that. Oh, and you come here, you do I. Some pie, oh, I said, I said, Edra, video be a made to Instagram, say, Aquana fa, don't believe that, or Ena, or Hagia Colebios now, or yes, or Diana, Acolani Jobuno, or Dino Acolani Shina, the tip to come. Maza Crown, your pony to now. Hard buta. Anyway, MAMALISTIC, I'm saying, we know. To me, but we will get it later on. You know, yeah, fancy now. So just yeah, baby, now I get it. No, almost and trust. But continue. Yeah, but that was na. I say, be jawa mo akon say. Assemble your person or the two. Ochita for near phone anymore. Akwanya no. Oh, Uncle Jerry, we me so me da sene akwanya wo de me da Uncle ya use so say Papa Bills. Da na say sugar so me da na say. Dia me catch o manga na nyina say yeah social media handles no I am MAMALISTIC mama YouTube okwa menyu nyina obenya Facebook so oba apostle arena do jemfia obetimi oba like me page no na fe wa subscribe enti Uncle Jerry me da obi bia se obi a otie yem bia so me da na se na wo so me da wase pa yo ofa kwa me da se sorry say utie abo we do wa okofia na oyira wa mo fe nte mi ti bom okofia na oyira mi ama we de e sheda nya ibi wa nya me shira me da wase pa obi yes da se pa all right abuja ya de I get a sports air twice or the amount. But before we do that, no me patrol. Once again, me remind us says who send this car at the amount for Adom mobile money network so a free on Vodafone cash. So send 100 cedis or less at the amount, and as you already know, a free. And it has been free on Vodafone Cash since September 2019. Now still now a free. It doesn't matter the amount of money you are sending or the number of times that Obe send it. A free, a transfer charge, you know, a free. It's because it's across. Easy now a free on Vodafone Cash. Mention John Nasikra. Now send this cano. FIA Vodafone Cash so CCR and don't worry about the charges because a free Vodafone Cash and the best platform for sending money. Just dial *110#